Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your computer class. I, Aanchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your computer class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know, that we were on chapter number 4, that is files and folders in Windows 7. Okay, so here I am just writing the topic, that is chapter number 4. So in the last section beta, we have done that how to copy or how to move a file or a folder. After that we have done deleting a file. This was the next topic, that how to delete a file or a folder. And after this, the next is restoring a deleted file. So how you can restore a deleted file. एक फाइल जो डिलीट हो चुकी है, you want to restore it. Okay, so first of all we will discuss, okay sir, we have already discussed in the last session that how you can delete a file. Now I am talking about restoring a deleted file. Restoring a deleted file. How you can restore a deleted file. Restore means suppose you have deleted a file. आपने एक फाइल स्टोर कर दी, डिलीट कर दी, ओके, बट सडनली यू रिमेंबर, ओ नो आई हैव डिलीटेड सम रॉन्ग फाइल. मैंने कोई गलत फाइल डिलीट की. आपने भी कोई गलत फाइल या फोल्डर है, कुछ भी, एनीथिंग, आपने कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जिसको आपको डिलीट नहीं करना था बट अननोइंगली आपने उसको डिलीट कर दिया. नाउ यू वांट दैट फाइल बैक. अब आपको वो फाइल वापस चाहिए, सो दैट यू कैन यूज़ इट. आपको किसी काम के लिए वो चाहिए थी, आप उसको ये नहीं कि आपको 10 दिन बाद 20 दिन बाद याद आ रहा है कि फाइल चाहिए थी. नो, सो इट कैन बी लिमिटेड फॉर अ लिमिटेड पीरियड ऑफ टाइम ओनली. So that you have deleted a file and suddenly you remember that you need that file. So what you are going to do is, we are going to restore that file. And this feature of restoring a deleted file is available in today's phone as well, जिसको हम बोलते हैं recycle bin. ओके, तो अगर आपके कंप्यूटर में आप कोई चीज़ अननोइंगली डिलीट कर देते हो और आपको वापस चाहिए, सो यू कैन रीस्टोर इट फ्रॉम द recycle bin that is present on the desktop of your computer. ओके, वैसे ही बेटा जैसे कंप्यूटर के अंदर है वैसे ही मोबाइल्स एज वेल. टुडे इन द टुडे स्मार्टफोन वी आर हैविंग दीज फीचर्स इन मोबाइल्स एज वेल. तो ये रिसाइकिल बिन वाला जो फीचर है बेटा आजकल के मोबाइल फ़ोन्स में भी है, आपने अक्सर देखा होगा. ओके, सो रीस्टोरिंग अ फाइल, डिलीटेड फाइल. सो वी कैन रीस्टोर ओनली दोज फाइल विच आर ऑलरेडी डिलीटेड. अभी जो डिलीट हुई उसी को रिस्टोर करोगे, एंड दैट शुड बी फॉर अ वेरी लिमिटेड पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. आई थिंक मैक्सिमम आफ्टर 30 days, okay, maximum after 30 days the files are deleted from the recycle bin as well. Okay, so here are the certain steps that you need to follow if you want to restore a file. The first is, as told earlier, the file you delete goes to the recycle bin where the first file where a file stays for a few days or a few weeks, depending on how often you empty the bin or how full the folder is. Okay, you can again restore the file which are in the recycle bin to its original location from where you had deleted it. Okay, so when we delete a file, जब हम किसी फाइल को डिलीट करते हैं, when we delete a file and you want to restore it, okay, and you want to restore it, and you can restore that deleted file only from the recycle bin. That is from recycle bin. We can restore a file. Restore means जहाँ से डिलीट की है, जिस फाइल को डिलीट किया है उसको वापस लेके आना. That is the meaning of restoring. ओके, वो आपको आपके डेस्कटॉप के ऊपर देखिए आइकन बना होता है, recycle bin. From there you can restore it. So you can see it here as well. This is a icon of recycle bin. This is the icon of recycle bin where you can find all your deleted files. जब भी आप कोई भी फाइल, फोल्डर, पिक्चर, कुछ भी जो भी आप डिलीट करते हो अपने कंप्यूटर से, लैपटॉप से, सो वो जाके जैसे हम अपने घर में कुछ कूड़ा, ओके, जैसे हम अपने घर में कचरा है बेटा, उस कचरा कहाँ फेंकते हैं हम उसको डस्टबिन में फेंकते हैं. सो यू कैन सी दैट दिस इज़ द डस्टबिन ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. ओके, और ये कंप्यूटर का क्या है, डस्टबिन. और इस डस्टबिन में कूड़ा जो कचरा है वो कब तक रहेगा, जब तक आप उसको फेंक नहीं दोगे. ठीक है, ऐसे ही होता है हमारे घर में जनरली. तो वैसे ही इस रिसाइकिल बिन में भी कचरा तब तक रहता है, या तो आप उसको डिलीट कर दो, या कितना कचरा उसके अंदर अगर बहुत ज़्यादा है, जो डिलीटेड फाइल से बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो कुछ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के बाद, कुछ टाइम पीरियड के बाद वो ऑटोमेटिकली डिलीट हो जाएंगी. बट अगर आपने उसको डिलीट किया, आपने अपना रिसाइकिल बिन भी एम्प्टी कर दिया, सो दैट मीन्स दैट फाइल इज़ completely deleted and you can't restore it. Okay, so after deleted file goes after deleting you want to restore it, and you can restore it from the recycle bin. Okay, and how this restore work. अब ये जो हम restore कर रहे हैं, restore में जिसको दोबारा वापस ला रहे हैं, तो ये जो restore हम करते हैं तो वो आता कहाँ से, where the file get restored again. So the file get restores at its original position. जो फाइल है वो अपनी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन पे आके रिस्टोर होता है. ओरिजिनल पोजीशन मीन्स जहाँ, जिस फोल्डर से या जहाँ से आपने वो फाइल या फोल्डर डिलीट किया है, तो वहीं पे आके वो वापस रिस्टोर होगा. ओके, सो द फाइल विल बी रिस्टोर्ड एट द सेम लोकेशन फ्रॉम वेयर यू हैव डिलीटेड दैट फाइल. ओके, तो वो फाइल और फोल्डर कहाँ आके रिस्टोर होगा, फ्रॉम द सेम प्लेस, एट द सेम प्लेस फ्रॉम वेयर यू हैव डिलीटेड दैट फाइल, फोल्डर और एनी डॉक्यूमेंट. क्लियर? सो देयर आर सर्टेन स्टेप्स फॉर restoring the file or the folder. So I'm just going to narrate the steps that how you can restore the deleted files. The first step is double click the recycle bin icon on the desktop. The recycle bin window appears displaying all the files you have deleted. Okay, so first of all we have to double click on the recycle bin icon on the desktop. So this is the first, that first of all we have the steps क्या हैं. First is double click, that is double click on the double click on the recycle bin, double click on the recycle bin icon on the desktop. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारा ये स्टेप है बेटा कि सबसे पहले हमें जो हमारे जो कंप्यूटर या लैपटॉप का जो सबसे जो विंडो पेज होता है और द डेस्कटॉप पेज होता है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयर आर यू कैन सी दैट सर्टेन आइकन्स आर देयर. सो इसमें से एक आइकन इज द नेम ऑफ दैट इज अ डिफॉल्ट आइकन दैट इज ऑलरेडी इन ऑल द कंप्यूटर्स. That is known as recycle bin. So that's a default icon that is present on all the PCs and the laptops. Okay, so first of all you have to open that recycle bin icon by making a double click with your mouse. Okay, so first of all you have to double click on the recycle bin icon on the desktop by double click. क्योंकि देखिए जो आपने आइटम डिलीट की है, जो भी आपने document that you have deleted, the picture or the videos or any kind of file or folder that you have deleted, that will be in the recycle bin only. So that means अगर हम देखो हमें कचरे से कुछ निकालना है तो हमें क्या करना होगा, सबसे पहले हमें अपने डस्टबिन को ही खंगालते हैं. तो वैसे ही डस्टबिन है तो पहले हमें डस्टबिन को ही खोलना होगा. सो दिस इज़ द recycle bin. So after this the recycle bin window appears displaying the files you have deleted. एंड जैसे आप इसके ऊपर क्लिक करोगे, सो ऑल द फाइल्स दैट यू हैव डिलीटेड दैट विल स्टार्ट अपियरिंग इन that will start appearing on the screen. तो जैसे आप इसको ओपन करोगे डबल क्लिक करके, ऑल दी फाइल्स दैट यू हैव डिलीटेड, जितनी भी फाइल्स आपने डिलीट की हुई हैं, ओके, दैट आर स्टोर्ड इन द recycle bin, that will appear on your screen, that will start appearing on your screen. So all the files that you have deleted, that will start appearing on your screen as you double click the recycle bin icon on your desktop. After this, second step is click on the file you want to restore. ओके, तो देखिए बहुत सारी फाइल्स जितने भी आपने डिलीट सबकी सब उसमें आपके सामने हैं, एंड आपके बहुत सारी फाइल्स का एकदम झमघट पड़ा है, और आपको उसमें से सिलेक्ट करना होगा. यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट, यू हैव टू फाइंड द फाइल दैट यू वांट टू डिलीट, ओके, सो यू वांट टू रीस्टोर. तो जो फाइल आपको रीस्टोर करनी है, देन यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट दैट फाइल. सो दिस इज द सेकेंड स्टेप. द सेकेंड स्टेप इज सिलेक्ट the file. The second step is select the file. Third is after selecting the file, so select the file you want to restore. You want select the file you want to restore. तो जिस फाइल को आपको रिस्टोर करना है, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट दैट फाइल. सिलेक्ट द फाइल यू वांट टू रिस्टोर. मूविंग नेक्स्ट टू द थर्ड वन. द थर्ड स्टेप आफ्टर दिस इज क्लिक ऑन द रिस्टोर दिस आइटम. सो व्हेन यू मेक, ओके, सो देन यू हैव सिलेक्टेड द फाइल, देन यू हैव टू मेक अ राइट क्लिक. ओके, इस फाइल को सिलेक्ट करने के बाद आफ्टर द सिलेक्टिंग द फाइल यू हैव टू मेक अ राइट क्लिक ऑन द फोल्डर, सॉरी ऑन दैट फाइल. मेक अ राइट क्लिक ऑन द make a right click on the selected, make a right click on the selected file. Okay, so first of all open the recycle bin, then select the file that you want to restore, then make a right click on the file that you have selected. Okay, as you make the right click on the file that you have selected, a dialog box will appear, a box will appear, or a dialog box will appear. Okay, so these are the first three steps. इसके बाद the steps I'll just write it further. So double click on the recycle bin icon on the desktop, then select the file you want to restore. After this, make a right click on the selected file. Okay, after this, after making the right click on the selected file, ओके, देखिए बुक में इतना डिटेल में नहीं दिया, आई एम जस्ट मेंशनिंग इन डिटेल. अ बॉक्स विल अपीयर, अ dialog box will appear, a dialog box will appear. Okay, जैसे आप suppose this is a file and you have to click on the right click with the main cursor, and then a dialog box like this will appear containing certain points. Okay, so as you make a right click on the selected file, a dialog box will appear. Okay, and okay, dialog box will appear. Then you have to click on, जैसे वो dialog box appear होगा उसके अंदर बहुत सारे दो मतलब ज़्यादा नहीं, 2 या 3 डिलीट और ये दो देर आर 2 ऑप्शन, दैट इज़ डिलीट और रीस्टोर द फाइल, रीस्टोर दिस आइटम, ये 2 ऑप्शन निकलते हैं. सो अ डायलॉग बॉक्स विल अपीयर, देन यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट, देन फिफ्थ स्टेप इज सिलेक्ट और क्लिक ऑन रीस्टोर दिस फाइल ऑप्शन. ओके, नॉट सिलेक्ट, दिस इज क्लिक ऑन. Fifth step is click on restore this file, restore this file option. Okay, so after making a right click on the selected file, a dialog box will appear. Okay, and then you have to click on this, then you have to click on restore this file option, and your file will be restored. So the result will be that your file will be restored. This is the result. Okay, the result क्या होगा? What will be the result of this restoring a deleted file? Result is the deleted file will, the deleted file will restore, the deleted file will restore, the deleted file will restore on its original location. The deleted file will restore on its original location. Okay, so what will the result? So after selecting the dialog box will, so after making a right click on the selected item, then you have to make a right, then you will see dialog box, then you have to click on the dialog box. Okay, and then you have to click on the dialog box में दो options होंगे, delete permanently or restore this file option. So you have to select the restore this file option and your file will be restored. So the result is the deleted file will restore on its original location. Original location means जहाँ से आपने उस फाइल को delete किया था, so that file will restore there only. Okay, जहाँ से आपने उसको delete किया था, जिस भी folder से, जिस भी जगह से आपने उसको delete किया था, वो वापस उसी जगह चली जाए. Okay, so this is the result that you will get after restoring your file. Okay, so these are the steps. Chaliye. Now let's move to the next topic, that is emptying the recycle bin. The next is emptying the recycle bin. This is the next option, that is emptying the recycle bin. So how you can empty the recycle bin? Recycle bin का empty खाली कैसे करोगे? So first of all, देखिए हमने just before this topic we have discussed about the recycle bin. So recycle bin is a place where all the deleted files store for a limited period of time or until and unless you delete it from there as well. Okay, so it's just like a dustbin of the computer where you will get all the deleted files or folders that you have deleted. So now आपने files delete की जो आपको नहीं चाहिए थी, and it is stored in the recycle bin. Now you want to delete those files permanently because the items or the files or the folders that are stored in the recycle bin, they also consume some memory of the computer. Okay, तो जो भी आप फाइल या फोल्डर डिलीट करते हो बेटा, that is not deleted permanently, वो permanently delete नहीं होती, that is in the recycle bin, and until and unless okay, so now you want to, because these items, those are stored in the recycle bin, they are still the items that are stored in the recycle bin, they also consume some memory of the computer. So if you want to empty, if you want to free up the space or the memory in your computer, so you have to delete those items from the recycle bin as well. Only after then you will be able to free some space from your computer's memory. Okay, so the next we are going to talk about emptying the recycle bin. So how we can empty the recycle bin? Okay, so let's see the paragraph that is given here. Okay, whenever you want to remove any file folder permanently from the computer memory, you have to delete that file or folder from the recycle bin. After deleting the file or the folder from the recycle bin, it cannot be restored again. So that's I have already told you. So जब भी आप कोई फाइल या फोल्डर, इफ़ यू वांट टू रिमूव एनी फाइल और फोल्डर परमानेंटली फ्रॉम योर कंप्यूटर मेमोरी, so if you want to delete any file or folder permanently, that means you want to delete it for permanently, that means for lifetime you want to delete it. Okay, you have to delete that file or folder from the recycle bin as well. Okay, so after deleting it from the place, from the folder, okay, then you have to delete it from the recycle bin as well. And after deleting the file and folder from the recycle bin, you will not be able to restore it. So once you have deleted the file or the folder from the recycle bin as well, you will not be able to restore it. आप उसको दोबारा वापस नहीं ला सकते. Next is these looks of the recycle bin indicate whether the bin contains the deleted files or whether it is empty. So they are the two looks of the recycle bin. I'll just draw it here. Okay, so the recycle bin is like this. It's like a bin. Okay, with a such उसके ऊपर कुछ बना होता है ब्लू कलर का, यू कैन ऐसी, एंड उसके अंदर बहुत सारी फाइल्स आपको ऐसे शो हो रही होंगी. दिस इज द लुक. ओके, सो दीज आर द टू लुक्स ऑफ द recycle bin that you can see on the icon of your desktop. Something like this is like, okay, just no, it's not like this. The recycle bin look like, okay, this is the look of your recycle bin in your desktop. Okay, so this is a kind of option. You can see I have this very wrong in this. देखिए मैं try कर रही हूँ. I'm just trying it. Okay, I'll definitely going to show you in the online class as well. I'm going to show this icon in the desktop. मैं आपको ये option icon आपको desktop पे दिखाऊंगी. Okay. A minute. So this is the option that you can see of a recycle bin. Okay, अक्सर ये ऐसा नज़र आता है. Okay, so these are the two looks. Okay, so I'm just making two looks of the recycle bin. Okay, in one you can see just filling like this. में बहुत ही भरा भरा सा बचा which is okay, and this is like another is like this. So these are the two looks of recycle bin. So what is the meaning of these looks? तो इन दोनों looks का मतलब क्या है? So the meaning of this look is that the recycle bin has some deleted files, and this look means that it don't have any deleted file inside it. तो जब उसके अंदर बहुत सारी deleted file, कुछ भी deleted files होंगी तो उसका look ऐसे भरा भरा सा नजर आएगा, like that the bin is full of something. And when there is no deleted file in such recycle bin, so it will look like this empty bin. ठीक है, तो जब होगी तो भरा भरा नजर आएगा, जब नहीं होगी so it will look like empty. Okay, so this is the two looks of recycle bin. So you can see it on your book as well. देखिए इधर भरा भरा सा नजर आ रहा है, so that means containing deleted files. Second, you can see it looks empty, does not contain deleted files, does not contain any deleted files. Okay, so this is the two looks of the recycle bin. Now we will move to the steps that you can follow or that you need to follow if you want to empty your recycle bin. Now we will move to the topic. अब हम क्या डिस्कस करेंगे, that how you can empty your recycle bin. So whenever you want to remove any file or folder, so there are certain steps that you need to follow to empty your recycle bin. The first is double click recycle bin on the desktop. Double click recycle bin icon on the desktop. So first of all you have to double click on recycle bin, double click on the recycle bin option, double click on the recycle bin option on the desktop, Okay, so first of all you have to make a double click on the recycle bin icon. Second step is click on empty the recycle bin button on the recycle bin window. Okay, then click on empty the recycle bin option. Click on empty the recycle bin. This is an option. This is the name of the option. Click on empty the recycle bin option on recycle bin window. On recycle bin window. Okay, so click on empty the recycle bin option on the recycle bin window. Okay, and when you click on this, a dialog box will appear that will say delete multiple items. Okay, third is a dialog box will appear. A dialog box will appear containing the option containing the option delete multiple items. Delete multiple items. So this is again an option that you can see in the dialog box, and click yes and your files will be deleted. Then you have to click on the yes option and your all files will be deleted. So I'll just show you with the help of a picture here. तो देखिए, first of all you have to click on this recycle bin option. with double click से आप उसको open करोगे and this box will appear. ये आपके पास screen आ जाएगी. Then here option is given. यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन दिए बेटा, देते हैं रिसाइकल. यहाँ पे दो ऑप्शंस दिए, रीस्टोर दिस आइटम, एम्प्टी द रिसाइकल बिन. सो आपको इसको क्लिक करना है, एम्प्टी द रिसाइकल बिन. एंड जैसे ही आप इसको क्लिक करोगे एक आपके पास ऑप्शन आ जाएगी, क्लिक डिलीट मल्टीपल फाइल्स आइटम. सो इफ़ यू ओके डिलीट मल्टीपल फाइल्स, जब उसको आप क्लिक करोगे एंड देन यहाँ पे ऑप्शन आएगी कन्फर्म करने के लिए. दे विल से तो सच में आप इसको डिलीट कर दो. दैट इज़ द लास्ट कन्फर्मेशन मैसेज दैट इज सेंड. So that do you really want to delete that file? So then you have to again click on the yes option and your files will be permanently deleted from the recycle bin as well. इसके बाद जो आपकी फाइल है वो permanently recycle bin से भी permanently delete हो जाए. Okay? So these are the certain steps that you have to follow. और इसके अलावा एक और step है that you have to just make a right click on the recycle bin option in on your desktop. And वहाँ पे ऑप्शन आएगी empty recycle bin. Click on that, then yes, and everything will be deleted from the recycle bin. Okay, I'll just show you this practical as well during your online class. Okay, so these are the steps that you need to follow while emptying the recycle bin. Okay, so just revise whatever I have told you in the session, and this was from my today's session as well class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. Okay, so I'll see you again very soon. So till then everybody have a great day, and plus stay safe because corona is again showing its face. So please stay safe everybody. Okay, good day children.